We are on the ground floor of the Valletta Campus, on the side facing Merchant Street. Well, as you can see, there is so much evidence, historical evidence of the Collegium Melitensis, of the Jesuit College, of the early years of the University of Malta, of what led to the formation of the university. The Jesuit emblem can be seen throughout in a number of classrooms on this part of the college, because at the end of the day, they had their classrooms over here, they had their administration, but they also had their chapels. The building was also connected to the church, what is known today as the Jesuit Church or the University Church. The decoration that we see in this room, we have restored some 6 years ago. It dates to the 18th century, and it is one of the last decorations that the Jesuits undertook before they were expelled by Grand Master Pinto, and before the building was then taken over to become the Università degli Studi di Malta.